Good afternoon, best wishes to all of us. Let me introduce myself. My name is Tomirko Tambun with NPM 223-12122. Today, I will explain about greedy algorithm for TSP problem. The greedy algorithm is a heuristic approach that selects the best move at each stage with the hope that the series of steps will lead to a good solution overall. In the context of the traveling salesman problem or TSP, the main goal is to find the shortest path that visit a city point exactly on and returns to the starting city. The greedy algorithm can be used to solve the traveling salesman problem or TSP. Basically, the greedy algorithm chooses the best move at each stage without considering future decisions. Following are the steps of the greedy algorithm for TSP. The following are several points of explanation regarding the greedy algorithm for the TSP problem. Greedy approach. Greedy algorithms make locally optimal decision at each step without considering future consequences. That is, at each step, the algorithm chooses the best action based on the information available at that time. TSP objective. In TSP, the main goal is to find the shortest path that visit at each city point exactly on and return to the starting city. This is a hard combinatorial optimization problem. Nearest point selection. The greedy algorithm for TSP typically select the nearest neighbor of the current point at each step. This means choosing the next point that has the shortest distance from the previous point. Initialization and looping. The algorithm starts from one starting point and then select the nearest neighbor that have not been visited at each iteration. This process is repeated until all points are visited. Bookmark and return. At each step, points that have been visited are marked so that they cannot be visited again. Once all points have been visited, the algorithm returns to the starting point to close the circle. Solution evaluation. Once all points have been visited, the resulting path is evaluated usually by calculating the total distance. This solution is then considered a greedy solution to the TSP problem. Execution speed. The greedy algorithm has a relatively fast execution speed because it only requires distance calculation and nearest neighbor selection at each step. Next, limitation. Although fast, the greedy algorithm does not guarantee an optimal solution. The best local decision at each step does not always produce the best global solution, prone to error. Greedy algorithms are prone to error because the decisions taken at each step are based on local information without considering the global context. Special case. In some cases, the greedy algorithm can be provide a good enough solution. However, in certain TSP cases, the resulting solution may be far from the optimal solution. Application in programming. The implementation of the greedy algorithm requires data structures such as distance matrix, visit status array, and nearest neighbor selection step. Advantage and limitation. Limitation. The advantage of the greedy algorithm is its execution speed, while its limitation lies in the uncertainty of the optimal solution. Next, greedy algorithm step for TSP. Determine starting point. Choose a point as the starting point to start the journey. Calculate distance. Calculate the distance from the starting point to all other point. Select nearest point. Select a point that has not been visited and has the shortest distance from the previous point. Update path. Add selected place to the travel path. Update status. Mark the point that have been visited. And then repeat step 3 and until 5 until all points have been visited. Back to starting point. Once all points have been visited, return to the starting point to close the circle. Solution evaluation. Evaluate the solution found, for example, by calculating the total distance. Characteristic of greedy algorithm for TSP. Execution speed. Greedy algorithms tend to have fast execution speed because each step only requires calculating the distance and selecting the closest point. Not optimal. Even though it provides a solution quickly, the greedy algorithm does not guarantee an optimal solution. Selecting the best local at each stage does not always produce the best global solution. Weakness: this algorithm is prone to error, especially if the selection of the close point at each step does not always produce an overall optimal solution. And then implementation in programming. Data structure choices. The implementation of the greedy algorithm requires data structures such as this distance matrix, an array to track visit status, and an array to store travel paths. Programming language selection. Greedy algorithm can be implemented in various programming language as Python, Java, C++, and then this is an example of Java greedy algorithm for traveling salesman problem or TSP. And that's all I can say. Thank you.